Today we'll be looking at subset, and when we talk about subset, we're talking about a set that is contained in another set, or a set within another set. So if you have a set Y, and which is equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have another set X, which is equals to what? 2, 3. Okay, so here we can see that all the elements in set X are contained in what? In set Y. Therefore we can say that X is a subset of what? Set Y. So we use this symbol to represent is a subset. Okay, so we can write X and Y as X is a subset of what? Of Y. Okay, but here you can see that not all the elements in set Y are contained in what? In set X. Therefore set X is a proper subset. X is a proper subset. Okay, is a proper subset of what? Of Y. All right, so if you are given a set, how do you determine the number of subsets in that set? For instance, you have a set A, which is equals to what? 1, 3. How do you determine the number of subsets in this set? So the subsets here, the subsets are, we have the first element, which is what? 1. We have the second element, which is what? 3. And then we have all set itself, which is what? 1, 3. Okay, and then we have the empty set. So that means this means that a set is a subset of what? Of itself. So this means that a set is a subset of itself. Okay, so we have a formula for this. So if you are given a set and you are required to find the subset of that set, you simply apply the formula that says that subset is equals to 2 raised to the power of what? N, where your N is what? Your N is equals to the number of element. Number of what? Of element. Okay, in that set. So for instance, you have a set C, and your set C is equals to 2, 3, 4, and you're required to find the number of subsets in this set, or you're required to find the subset of set C. Okay, now you simply apply the formula that says that subset is equals to what? 2 raised to the power of what? N. So here our N is the number of what? Element, which is what? 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 raised to the power of what? 3. And that will give us what? That will give us 8. So the number of subsets in set C is equals to what? 8. So what are the subsets in set C? The subsets are, we have the first element, which is what? 2. We have the second element, which is what? 3. We have the third element, which is what? 4. Then we have 2 and 3 is also a subset. We have 2, 3 is also a subset. Another subset we have there is what? Is 2 and what? 4. Then another subset we have here is what? Is 3, 4. Okay, and then the set itself is a subset. So we have 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the empty set is also a subset. So if you count all the subsets here, it will be equals to what? 8. So let's count to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is how to find the subset of any given set. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to this page and you share this video.